Welcome to Mobile Trading Academy. So in this video, we shall be looking at the weekly outlook for GBPJPY. And in this video, I will show you the current market condition. I will tell you what to expect. I will also show you the possible ways to approach the market profitably within the week. So make sure you watch this video to the end to see how you can get profitable entry positions within the week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to encourage me to keep on making these very videos. Without further ado, let's get into the business of the day. So here is the chart, the 4 hours time frame chart for GBPJPY. And when looking at this, you will observe that the market in the most recent time has been in an upward trend. So we've seen higher highs and higher lows being formed. So however, we got to this point where the market was experiencing some difficulties to go through. For a while, the market was just forming equal highs over that area, but was not able to make a lower low, which absolutely shows that the bullish trend was still there. But after a while, there was a strong breakout. We just experienced a very strong breakout over this area, and the market presently is really overbought. So this will not be a good place for any sensible trader to go buying. So the best option at this point is to wait for this market to come down into this very most recent area, which has been broken. Remember that whenever a zone, a demand zone or a supply zone is broken, the market certainly will retest it to confirm how strong it is. So it is not proper for anyone to jump into the trade now because of this very strong bullish momentum and start buying, because when you do that, the risk is just quite enormous. You will be risking over $600 because the right place to place your stop loss right now should be just below this very area, this most recent low. So buying at this point now is suicidal. So what you need to do is to wait for this market to pull back into this very area, this very zone, from this area of 168 to around this area of 166.50. So this is the area we should be looking for this market to pull back into. Then we begin to look for long opportunities to buy this trade. So the overall outlook for the week is bullish, but before we go bullish, there will certainly be a very strong retracement. So while we are waiting for that retracement, a counter trend trader, if you are one of those counter trend traders, you can also short this very trade. You can watch very carefully for weakness of this upward trend and then short this trade, and I will show you exactly how you can do that and make some good profits. So let's go to the lower time frame where we shall be looking for weakness in this very upward trend so that we can take advantage of it and short this trade to these very points where we'll be waiting to buy. So go to the 15 minutes time frame. So here is the 15 minutes time frame right now. The market has been making a very strong upward movement. So what we shall be looking out for is to see this market from making these very higher lows, these very higher highs and higher lows. At this very point, I'll be expecting this market to move up a little possibly. Then I will be expecting to see a break below this very point, giving us a low lower than this very point. Then I'll also be waiting to see the price pull up again into this very area and create a lower high. Then that will show me that there is weakness in this trend, and with that I will short the trade down into this very area. First will be this point, and next will be this very area. So in summary, we've got two things to do. On the overall, the market is bullish. The strength of the market is bullish, so it's good to not buy at the moment, but wait for a dip before we buy. From the longer time frame chart, which is 4 hours time frame chart, we're seeing that it's good for us to wait for a dip, then we can join the bullish trend to go. However, while we're waiting for that dip, we can join the sellers if you're a counter trader to sell from the lower time frame, 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, to sell when you observe weakness in the trend. And when you observe this weakness in this bullish trend, which will be marked by lower highs and lower lows that will be formed in the market, then you can join to sell the market down into these areas. This is the first area of interest, and this is the other area of interest. So that is the outlook for GBPJPY in this very week. Thank you for watching. I hope you got value from this video, and I wish you the best of trading in this very new month. Ensure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out in my next videos. Thank you.